Welcome to Take 5. Let's learn 5 things about the cabinet business in just 5 minutes. Horizontal grain doors are a great way to get a contemporary look in your kitchen designs. When you work with horizontal grain, it's always important to ask additional questions of your client. Questions like, do you want horizontal grain on the ends of cabinet runs? Factory finished ends always have a vertical grain direction, but if you want to maintain a horizontal grain on any of the exposed cabinets, you'll need to use a CPOD or a custom plant-on door. Are you going to use panels around refrigerators and double oven cabinets? Horizontal grain panels have a maximum height of 48 inches. This will require stacked panels to maintain horizontal grain on the ends of runs, or the use of vertical grain panels on the ends as an alternative. Pantry cabinets that are done in horizontal grain door styles will use split doors due to height restrictions. They're joined with dowels at the seams. Oven panel cutouts that exceed 48 inches in height will also come vertical grain. Ask your customer about the appliances that they plan on using in their new kitchen. Also be aware of your cabinet widths. Narrow wall and base cabinets placed side by side can create a bold dynamic look. Our random plank wood veneers won't be grain matched on a horizontal grain. Any alignment is purely coincidental. While some customers may love this unique feature, others may find it too busy. To soften a design where the horizontal grain might feel overwhelming, consider using wider doors and drawers or incorporating floating shelves. These elements can help break up any checkerboard patterns that may happen in a narrow cabinet design. The new touch-up kits are now available from Belmont. Automatically included with your orders, each kit comes with 1 or 2 soft wax sticks, a matching stain or paint pen, a plastic scraper, a buffing polishing pad, and a wiping cloth. They're perfect for covering up minor bumps, dings, or scratches. Be aware, custom paint from our Color Select program will not have a touch-up kit available. Also, Belmont is now offering for purchase stain in pints and quarts, as well as repair lacquer in both satin and Eurotouch top coats. In May, Belmont introduced 2 exciting new door styles in our 1300 series. The first door, called Vision and the color Holes, is a vertical grain textured laminate that uses a stunning, realistic, natural rift white oak finish. The second door, in Apex White, is a fresh take on the popular matte black Apex door that has been such a popular seller up until this point. The pencil edge brings a modern twist to the classic shaker look. Be sure to add these doors to your showroom. Consider ordering the 13 Up Kit 24 from the Sales Aid section in the online catalog. Belmont has recently added some new ADA SKUs to the product catalog for 1600 and 1900 series. If your design calls for ADA cabinets, be sure to check out these new SKUs in our online catalog. These convertible cabinets feature a removable bottom for conversion after installation. The floor and toe kick pull out as one piece. Grooves in the bottom floor slide out on a plastic spade. The new ADA cabinets are available in the following configurations: removable bottom vanity sink, removable bottom sink base, removable bottom full height base, and removable bottom base cabinet. Did you know you can modify the widths of our molded fillers in 16 and 1900 series? If you need to increase the width of the A or B leg of this L-shaped filler, you can. The standard dimension is 3 inches by 1.5 inches, but simply expand the Options tab for the item and change the dimension to what you need. This can be done with our VMF veneer molded filler or LMF laminate molded fillers. This is a great way to get a taller crown piece or larger filler in your corner if needed. Thank you for joining us on Take 5. For these and other tips, please subscribe to our channel.